Okay.
Move.
It's here. Kobe. Kobe.
That's
You okay?
my plane.
Yes.
That one is mine, and that one is for that is for you. because happy, happy, happy.
Finally.
Finally.
Wow. Come on. Finally, Kobe. Finally. Yeah. Oh. So, initial flight namin dapat is 18:10, naging 18:50. Ngayon is 20:40 ang flight namin.
This is not working, Dad. I'm so tired.
This one is bad, so this is a good.
Dapat pala may tubig. Pwede bang inom pa tayo ng tubig?
Uminom ako kanina.
Dito kami sa likod, guys. Pinakadulo.
What is that?
Movies.
Yes! Oh my god, I can't wait. It's moving, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, the plane is moving by itself.
Wait, so there's a pilot there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I don't know. Oh, I see the tail of the plane. What is that plane called?
It's
Wings. The wings.
The wings.
The wings?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the wings.
Here, safety zone top priority. Please take a moment to watch our safety procedures video. At this time, headsets connected to a portable electronic device must be removed.
Pour votre sécurité et votre confort, soyez attentifs à cette courte vidéo. Joignez-vous à nous pour explorer tout ce que le Canada peut offrir.
Will drop from the panel above you. Remain seated. Hold the mask towards you. Use the support strap to hold the mask over your mouth and nose and breathe normally. Always secure your own mask before assisting another person.
Happy, happy.
Si la pression de la cabine change, un masque à oxygène tombera du panneau
That
au-dessus de
sounds
vous.
so cute.
Restez assis. Tirez le masque vers vous. Utilisez la bande élastique pour maintenir le masque sur votre nez et votre bouche et respirez normalement.
Happy, happy.
Mettez toujours votre masque avant d'aider quelqu'un.
Happy, 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 happy.
If there is an emergency landing on water,
A
reach
banana
for the pouch
cat,
under the
it was
seat or below
crying
the
all
armrest.
day.
Remove the elastic band if required.
En cas d'amérissage d'urgence, prenez la pochette de gilet de sauvetage sous le siège.
Happy, happy, happy. Happy, happy, happy. Oh my god, I see a plane. Plane.
Yeah.
Moment de quitter l'avion.
Oh my god.
If you need any assistance or have any concerns, please let one of us know.
Si vous avez une inquiétude ou besoin d'aide, adressez-vous à l'un de nous.
Thank you for choosing to fly with Air Canada.
Merci d'avoir choisi Air Canada.
We're flying.
times federal regulations prohibit smoking, vaping, and the use of e-cigarettes. It is also not permitted to use any cannabis products or to drink your own alcohol. This includes any duty-free purchases. On this flight, we'll be offering premium snacks and complimentary beer and wine to our customers seated in the economy cabin. These beers are available for $5, and earphones can be purchased using your credit card. Thank you for choosing Air Canada, and enjoy your flight. Nous vous invitons à boucler votre ceinture en passant conformément à la réglementation fédérale. Il est interdit de fumer, de papoter, d'utiliser des cigarettes électroniques et de consommer du produit de cannabis également. Interdit de boire votre propre alcool, y compris celui acheté à la boutique hors taxe. Avant de ce vol, nous offrirons à nos clients voyageant dans la cabine économique des collations haut de gamme et des bières du milieu sans frais. Mais également à la des solutions et des électeurs au moyen de votre carte de crédit. Merci de votre visite à Canada et on vous souhaite un bon vol.
It's okay na. It's okay.
Oh my god, now I see the world when it's dark.
What?
Now I see the world when it's dark. The world is dark. Oh my god, why is the grass so dark? It looks like a pool.
Bobby. So cute.
Small burgers.
What else? Nahuli na kami kasi tulog si Kiko. Ayaw gumising. Let's go.
This is the final boarding call for Air Canada. Flight 126 with service to
tatakbo?
Toronto. All customers.
ER 117 Manila D70. Iced tea?
You had checked if you're in the area, you received the 46 runway.
Uy! Okay, go, go, go. So, doon tayo. Yun. So, hindi naman kailangan pala yung boarding pass mga guys. Pinakita lang namin yung aming baggage claim tag. Kaya pinapasok na kami. Kailangan maglakad kami ngayon ng malayo.
This way, Dad.
Okay. No. Shh. Talaga. Shh. Yabang ah. Hop. Shh. Oh. Don't run. Dami pa rin bumibiyahe oh. Oh, malapit na. Naka 500 meters na kami. Dali lang ha. May bibilin ako. Kobe. How are you, Kobe?
Good.
Good. Alright. Where's your mom?
Right here.
Oh, right there.
For 43 and higher.
This is a big girl plane. Yeah. Say mabuhay. Mabuhay. Like that.
What?
Yeah.
A boy? A monkey?
Mabuhay.
There's a monkey? Like a monkey bug?
Oh, go. Say hi, mabuhay. Say mabuhay. Go.
Like a monkey.
Go. Can you go first? Go. Hello. Hey, say hi. Hi po.
5 hours and 45 minutes. Heading transport altitude of 13,000 feet. We expect a fair weather during the flight. Our estimated arrival time in Manila is 5 o'clock in the morning. Manila local time, Manila being 15 hours ahead of Vancouver. We care for your safety. Please take assigned seats as soon as possible to facilitate our departure and keep your seatbelts fastened at all times, as we may experience unexpected turbulence during the flight. We will update you with the latest information as we get closer to our destination. Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay.
117 bound for Manila. Our pilot in command is Captain Rudolph Belmonte and visitor flight purser Verna Vilia.
My birthday.
Right now?
No, not yet. What did you already do? No. Let's watch first before I get
Tinatanong niya ako, are you enjoying your food? Empanada.
Snacks lang yan.
Okay ka na.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning. Malapit na kami. 6 hours na lang.
No?
6 hours
Ibulong
na
mo.
lang.
6 hours. Tulog pa yung bida natin. Tulog pa.
Yeah. Ang bida-bida.
Bida.
Oh, mukhang relax na ako ah.
Relax ka.
Ah, parang naka-relax na ako. No?
Approach into Manila, please ensure that your large electronic devices and carrying baggage are stowed in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. Your seat backs upright, tray tables stowed, window shades open, and seat belts securely fastened. We will be coming around to assist you as you prepare for our arrival.
Yes, we are here. Yung isa.
Palakpak. Galing. Mabuhay.
Galing nga nag-land.
1st of September 2024. The ground temperature is at 28 degrees Celsius or 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is
Ang
switched
galing
off.
niyang nag-down. Ang
For an
galing
orderly manner
niya.
of disembarkation,
Gusto ko i-congratulate si Captain.
and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. All passengers
Sabihin mo na
receiving flight out of Manila will be given priority. Passengers who need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff, who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Rudolph Del Monte and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
Wala, dapat. Yung siyempre, nag-beg na nagtugtugaw niya.
Haam na dagay.
Nag-beg na nga nagtugtugaw. So, nga nakatagir na taptan. Gasa mo ta 13 hours nga nakatugaw ka. Tader ka mo ta. Di ba, Kogi?
Kaya mo ba ito? Teka lang naging jibagin mo.
Yeah, Kogi? You are in the Philippines. Yay! Welcome to the Philippines. Mabuhay. See? Mabuhay. Yan.
Kita mo di Air Canada di Kalman. Last kami ni Kobe. Di flow, ang ganda ng flow. Walang ano.
Ayan. Madidelayed daw ng 3 hours yung paglabas namin. Kasi sumalubong na raw yung mga kamag-anak doon sa pinto ng eroplano. Ano, na-miss mo ba yung init ng Pilipinas? Yan. Welcome to Philippines, Kuya. Your homeland. Welcome home. So, nandito na tayo guys sa immigration. Ayan. Excuse me. Oh, sorry.
Kuya, nakakabigla ka eh.
Excuse me. Oh, sorry. Binuksan nila? Binuksan nila? Meron ng bagong ano. This is Philippines! Kailangan natanggalin. You like Philippines? It's hot. Di, okay lang po. Oh.
O, tapos, ano yung dao?
Saan?
Diretso ka konti, tapos ano, maglilip ka na.
Ayun, pala yung binigay natin na.
Diba? Basta pag nandoon na, hindi na ako maliligaw, alam ko na.
I see it.
You see it?
Yeah.
See?
I remember the street.
Yeah. Tingnan natin mahanap yung bahay natin.
Di ba mag-ano ulit ng mga sasakyan?